Service in Boston has issued a special marine warning for the coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stellwagen Bank National Marine Sanctuary, Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay, until 4 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. At 3:07 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time, a strong thunderstorm was located near Patience Island, moving northeast at 35 knots. Hazards include wind gusts to nearly 50 knots and small hail. Small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Boston Buoy 44,013, Duxbury Pier Light, the coastal waters east at Boston Harbor, Situate Harbor, Minot Light, Green Harbor, Ocean Bluff, Red Rock, and Gurnett Point. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. The National Weather Service in Boston has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for central Plymouth County in southeastern Massachusetts, north central Bristol County in southeastern Massachusetts, until 3:45 p.m. Eastern Daylight Time.